These bicycles are about bicycle relief donations supposed to support girl education within our schools. We normally distribute these bicycles at the ratio of 2:1. For every 2 girls, we also give 1 boy a bicycle. The bicycles are supposed to ease transportation to schools, and mainly as an intervention to make sure that our girls reach school safely, are not possibly lured to other forms of transport which might be too expensive to their lives thereafter. So far in this sub-county, that is Alego Usonga sub-county, we have had World Bicycle Relief donate over 3,000 bicycles, and consequently 21 schools have benefited from these bicycles. We are soon to reach out to more schools. We have a program to reach out to about 4 more schools within next month. Consequently, this has improved the economic situations at home, as the parents do not have to battle with issues of looking for transportation for the learners. In terms of performance, when attendance becomes better, the performance in school is also noted to improve. And this we have noted in the schools that have benefited from these bicycles for some time, that eventually our students are doing much better than in other institutions. It is our hope that in future we'll be able to provide bicycles to other parts of the county.
Expectation is to reach all the schools in Alego Usonga. We have only done about 21. Alego Usonga has about 50 schools, so we still have future plans. Ours basically is just to call upon like-minded stakeholders and partners to join us. They say that unity is strength, so that we can reach even a bigger coverage and even more students who deserve these bicycles in our day schools.